Disclaimers. Welcome to our channel, World's Every Country. I am your Sam. This channel talks about the facts of world's every country. In this video, we are going to see about the interesting facts of the country, Papua New Guinea. The official name is Independent State of Papua New Guinea. PNG's capital is Port Moresby. The flag of PNG is red, black, diagonally divided and feature a yellow bird of paradise and stars. PNG's total area is 462,840 square kilometers. Estimated population of the country is 8.8 million people. PNG's major religion is Christianity. PNG's official languages are Tok Pisin, Hari, Moto, English. PNG have 832 living languages also. Papua New Guinean Kina is the country's official currency. PNG gained independence from Australia on 16th September 1975. National bird Regina. Animal Duyong. Sport cricket. Flower Spectac blue orchid. Fruit pawpaw. A virtual guide on PNG, a group of islands in Southeast Asia. Its mainland on the island of New Guinea is bordered by Indonesia. Mount Wilhelm is the tallest mountain at 4,509 meter height. Spek River is the longest river, 1,126 km long. PNG's tallest building is Grand Papua Hotel. Its height is 90 meters. Archaeological evidence suggests humans first arrived in PNG around 60,000 years ago. Papuans were probably the world's first agriculturists, have discovered evidence of gardening from 9,000 years ago. PNG is the world-class birding destination and is particularly famous for the colorful bird of paradise. Tree kangaroo can be found in PNG. In 1990, a new species of tree kangaroo, the golden Malta tree kangaroo, was discovered in PNG. The world's only known poisonous bird, the hoodoo pichuho, can be found in PNG. Its feathers carries one of the most powerful toxins. The Korowai tribe is one of the last known tribes in the world to have been cannibalized in PNG. PNG lies on Ring of Fire, an area prey to volcanic activity. In PNG, young men cut their skin to resemble crocodiles in sacrification imitation rite. The island of New Guinea is home to the third largest rainforest in the world after the Amazon and Congo. Natural resources: gold, copper, silver, natural gas, timber, oil and fisheries. Around 80% of PNG population resides in rural area with few or none of the facilities of modern life. Thanks for watching this video. To show your love, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell button.